First thing you want to make sure before you export a transparent video is that there are no layers acting as the background. If I click on toggle transparency grid icon and see this pattern in the background, that means the video is transparent and we can proceed with the export. Now by default, you will be exporting an entire timeline, or we can select just a part of it by moving the time indicator to where we want to begin the export and press B on the keyboard to set the in point. Then move to where you want to end the export and press N on the keyboard to set the out point. Now we've selected this part of the timeline and we can export just that. To export, we go up to File, Export, and we select Add to Render Queue, or we can use the Ctrl-M shortcut. Then in the render queue, next to Output Module, we're going to click on the blue text. Then in this window, we're going to select Format and choose QuickTime. Then click on Format Options and set Video Codec to Animation, then click OK. Then set Channels to RGB plus alpha, and this plus alpha setting is what allows us to include the transparency data in the video. Then click OK. Then next to Output 2, let's click on the blue text, select the output folder and give your video a name. Then click Save and click Render. Then open the folder that you've selected, and here you will find your transparent video. But keep in mind that you will not be able to preview this video with regular players, but if you add it back to After Effects, Premiere, or other editing software, even OBS Studio for example, it will play just fine and will now have a background.